Right, we just called down here because Anne-Marie spotted some information about a haunted abbey or something or other. But when we got there, it was a private road leading to a hotel. So it must be part of the hotel, so we sacked it off and we're just leaving. And as we were leaving, we spotted this old house, or I think it's a house. Old derelict and abandoned. So we thought we'd just have a nose. I wonder what this old place was, whether it was someone's house. It's got electric cable in there. There's electric cable in here, so at one point it's been powered. Red and black, so it's quite old. Yeah. It's nice. What do you have to say about it, Anne-Marie? I don't fancy walking anywhere. There's floorboards.
So this would be the living area, so where would the kitchen be then? Trying to work out the age of the fire, see? Because it's not Victorian, it's more like...
No, it looks a bit more Art Deco 30s or something, doesn't it, the fire?
30s, 40s onwards.
It's a shame that people have been smashing it up though.
There's a funny looking, it would have had a door on it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
The fire had a door on it. And the fire mantelpiece has been taken up, hasn't it?
Oh,
Be careful,
goodness
there's
me,
a
yeah.
hole, Jimmy. And be careful the floorboards don't, like, cave in.
I wonder when this place was abandoned.
I don't know. Good for you, because look at these, what are these here? Were these big cupboards or something? They've got like little alcoves under the windows with shelves in. Alcoves with shelves in.
Right, I'm off.
You're going to come through the ceiling in a minute.
No, I don't think. I don't fancy.
Stairs to the barn,
around. They're quite modern fittings by the look of it.
Are they?
Don't know. They're metal. I thought they were plastic, but
Are they metal?
yes. Right, I'm coming out.
There's stairs here too, going down.
Is there?
Apparently. You go first.
Yeah. They're concrete stairs, so
Lovely.
reasonably safe. Remnants of a candle there. I wonder if someone's been doing some weird ritual-y type stuff in here. There's a room here. So that's the bathroom. There's the old bath. Yeah, down here, Jim.
Way down here, are you? Well, I am here.
We're in the top floor.
I was going to go it lower down
Hold
here.
on there.
There's a more.
Careful with the stairs there.
Yeah, I'll thanks for well.
Old window there, being covered up and then kicked in.
It's like it's been a fire or something. Probably recently delivered.
That says fused spur.
That's old, isn't it? Anything down there, Jim? What's he doing down
No idea, I can't see.
there? It's scary.
Let's pause.
Anything down?
See this in some found footage.
What are you doing?
It's a pity it'd be.
Not the truck, Andy, is
Here's
it?
water.
I can have water on there. It's good, isn't it?
It's a shame that some idiots have been here smashing the place up though,
Ruined
isn't
them,
it?
haven't they? Looks like a nice house, doesn't it? Our house.
Does, yeah. There's a larger burner here. I wonder if there was some kind of cooking implement or something in here, like a.
This would be the gas over the kitchen.
Yeah, it looks like, doesn't it? Like
With the
they've been
outside
cooking there.
place where you do your cooking.
There is I don't know what it is out here. Sounds like a waterfall. Unfortunately, I haven't got a torch that's bright enough.
Hey.
I haven't got a torch that's bright enough to see.
No, it's bright on that.
I'll have to come back when it's a bit brighter, or come back with a torch. Unfortunately, Jim's torch has run out of battery because it's got a lot more powerful than these little telephone lights. Be interesting to see what this once was, though. I'm going to have a look on oldmaps.co.uk and see what it comes up with for this place. Really?
Better off in your phone.
Oh, Valaine's David.
Something your doorbell or something.
No, it's old wiring,
Telephone.
like a junction box.
The wood that's wood that as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So The old wire like black and red, is it the neutral black
Yeah.
and light red? That's the old fashioned wiring. 1968 or 9 on it, 69 they changed the
Was it until when they went
Yeah.
to blue and green?
Blue and brown on it, blue neutral.
Blue and brown,
and
that's
the
it.
brown live and there was yellow and green, yeah. I don't know if it used to be just like copper wire, wasn't it, back in the 60s or 69. 69 it's not months that's when it changed over. The wiring changed. You've been to the top, haven't you, in Boston? You can't go any higher, can you? I'm not going to go any lower. Not very
back
bad.
up?
What's down there?
Yeah, can do.
Right, you got it fine.
Okay.
Keep going.
I'm only down here.
He's gonna have a look down that little alley. It's an interesting little place.
Actually, you can get the steps now. I would have to go over them, wouldn't
Not quite sure what it was. If it was a mill or I don't know. Just someone's little house.
What's the glass?
you?
Big,
Mhm.
big chunk of bottle.
Yeah. Someone's been drinking in here, haven't they? The stairs are made out of concrete or something. Little pins of some kind in them. I'm not sure how long the place will stay standing for though. I don't think
Notice there though, to the camera, there's a castle now.
it'll be much longer.
What?
Rituals and that.
You don't know where you're
Handles.
There's a bit of graffiti there saying Jeff 2002. So the place has been abandoned for a while. Look at that light there. That's got old corded cable on that, so that's an old light. And the wire in here, you can see. However, at least the place did have electricity at some point in the past, so it's not that old a place. Well, it's been done up, can you say? Yeah.
It's the
that's
front
it.
entrance, isn't it?
Did you want to go up there?
It's up to you, kind of. These are the wooden, aren't they?
I don't know how strong they are though. They seem to be quite strong, and as though they've been worked on. They almost seem as though they've been worked on in recent years. I'm not going to go in there, I don't think. There's a reasonable sized room and there's a bit of an attic. I'm going to go there. What's that?
I think I'll stay here. Floor's not safe.
Yeah, I don't think I'll go too far.
No, the floor isn't safe if you walk on it. More like
Attic up there, another fireplace. Certainly an interesting little place. Okay.
yeah, that's the old flat.
It says here, somebody lady died here in 1901.
Maybe that's why it got left. In 19 what?
Don't say the year 19 something or one. There's something, but it can't be.
There won't be a one, not the electricity.
The date on here. Cameron H was here 26th of November 2006.
Let's have a look.
That's like 15 years ago, right? Isn't
Yeah,
it?
he died
Yeah,
here
yeah,
in
well,
1906.
Yeah, just go through it. Just needs to go through
Love
it.
not war.
Yeah, just need to go through it. Old, isn't it?
There's a bit of old sack or something up there.
There's what?
A bit of old sack or cloth.
Because there's the boiler up there, isn't it?
Ah, yeah.
Water tank.
There we go.
Well, Rachel and Kate, Becky's forever.
This wood, the wood here seems quite decent. Possibly because the roof hasn't given way just yet, or not too badly. I think most of the holes in that are done by vandalism rather than anything else.
Yeah.
Black lights up there.
He's happy with them.
Yeah.
Black.
Good date on that, definitely. 1924.
It's a bit awkward because we haven't got
1984,
decent lighting.
2019.
If I'd have known we were going to be in here and it wasn't very well lit, I'd have brought a decent torch. There's a little old door catch there. Little hook. So I don't really know a great deal about this place at all. I think there's been a radiator on there at some point, hasn't there? Possibly. That looks like it was a radiator, and it looks like there's pipes just there where the radiator was. Some
They
wallpaper.
probably, well, yeah, flowery wallpaper. They probably got the radiator for scrapping.
Well, I can say, yeah.
Yeah, they got the radiator to sell it, haven't they, for scrap? Because they got money for it, haven't they?
That's like a wall house, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I wonder where the tunnel goes then.
I don't know.
Not a very big house, though, is it?
No.
Billy Home House.
So, to be honest, it's got 3 floors, so it's not that bad. I'd just like to know really what the era of the place was.
Good though, isn't it?
Yeah, interesting. There's no date that I can see. There's a stone up the top there that looks as though it's got writing on, but it's all worn off if it did have. And there may have been something above the door there. But that equally has been smashed off by morons at some point, which is a shame. But yeah, interesting little place. Absolutely teeming with junk though. People have just been using it as a tip by the look of things. Using it as a tip and smashing the place up, which is a shame. Because it doesn't look as though it's in, even now it doesn't seem to be in that bad fettle. Sure, it's still salvageable. It's got floors and a roof of sorts.
Got big date set out on 6th November, that's this year, like 15 years ago, isn't it?
Yeah, there was one 2002.
Really?
The house has got a little chimney on the top, but I don't think you'll see it because the light is so poor.
Go back 100 years, I bet it was a nice little house, all the windows there, it's nice and tidy, wasn't it?
Interesting little place though.
Yeah, well, at least that's made up for it then in a way, sort of, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what time is it now? It's only like,